Hi everyone, I am Isuri from NVTI Thalalla. Today I am going to present you how to make Faluda. So let's go with the ingredients first. We will need jelly, rose syrup, ice cream and sweet basil seeds and plums and crushed ice and fresh milk. First we will need to take a glass and that should be chilled because we are serving a cold beverage. First we will add crushed ice, then we will have to add some jelly, and we should cut this into pieces because it's easy to drink. Then we need to add this rose syrup. For this rose syrup I have used 1 cup of sugar, and from that same cup we need to measure half a cup of water, and we need to boil this until it becomes this thick. And then now we have to add this. You can just adjust the quantities per your likings. Then we need to add this sweet basil seeds. In Sri Lanka we call it kasa kasa, and I'll add this. Then we'll add the fresh milk to this. And then at last we'll add ice cream. Then if you want to garnish it a little bit, we can add some plums to the top. Okay, so now here we go, it's a Faluda. It's been made. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.